Let me be funny. Give me 2 seconds. I am. There you go. That's me. Anyways. Not even on stream. Took you too long. Not funny. Okay. Fatherless behavior. Wait. No. There you go. Fatherless behavior. No one likes you. No, don't got no bitches. Talk to me when you have a girlfriend. When anyone likes you, actually. When your mom speaks to you again. When your dad doesn't want to spank you with a belt. Yeah, talk to me when that happens. When you get famous for anything that you do because no talent, nothing good about you. You suck. Bye. You're welcome. Who's she talking to? You! I'm having fun with my sound effects! They're cool!